Hi lovely people, welcome back again to the channel. It's another video. In this video we are making Abelewalls ice cream. So with this I will need some flour and also condensed milk. I will then add some non-dairy creamer. I have food colors. I have yellow, green and red. Then my pineapple and vanilla essence. I also have a tablespoon of margarine, then my sticks, salt, and cup to shape my ice cream. Now into my pot, I will add my flour and I will add some water. Mix this and put this on the fire. So I'll be making this in the form of making porridge. If today being your first time of seeing this channel, thanks for clicking on this video. This is Getty Cooks and we make food recipes. Please subscribe to the channel and be part of this wonderful family. So at this point, our porridge has taken up. I will then go ahead to add my margarine to it, which is optional. You can omit it if you don't want it. So I'll just give it a stir until everything is well combined. Then after some few minutes our porridge will be ready. So this is after 15 minutes. The porridge is ready. I'll just take it off and pour this into my bowl. Okay guys, moving forward, I went in with my non-dairy and I also realized my camera did not capture when I added the condensed milk to the mixture. So this is after adding the condensed milk. This is how it looks now. So I also went in with my salt and also my pineapple and vanilla flavor. I will give this a good mix. And I want to use this opportunity to thank my new and returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the support. So just look at our ice cream looking so creamy and yummy. So I will just set it aside and then divide this mixture into three. Since we are in Ghana month, we are going to make this ice cream having the colors in the flag. So the first one I went in is the green. I will just mix it until it is well combined. Then after that, I will serve them in the cups and then put this in the fridge to freeze for some hours before adding the rest of the color. So that is how I will be doing it. So this is after getting the first color. I'm now serving it into the cups and I will do that and let them freeze for some hours before adding the rest of the colors. Alright fam, so I'm back with the green has freeze well. I will then go ahead to add my yellow mixture to it and I'll also let this freeze for some time. Are you still with me up to this time? If you are, thank you so much and please don't forget to like this video, also share this video to reach wider audience. So guys, please stay tuned. Okay, lovelies, after freezing the ice cream in the freezer for overnight, this is the final result of our Abelewalls with three different colors, that is red, yellow, and green. This came out so perfect and I really love it. This was delicious and yet yummy. If you find this video interesting, kindly give me a thumbs up and also share this video to reach wider audience. Let me know what you think about this Abelewalls in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Till then, see you in my next video. Thank you.